so we're in my bathroom right now because I am taking out these passion twists currently. Almost done. Your girl is almost done. But I'm taking out these twists and I want to show y'all essentially what I'm doing with my hair. So I asked y'all on Twitter if you had any products you wanted me to try, any brands you wanted me to try. And our friend Amber actually mentioned a couple of brands that she wanted me to try. One of them being the Main Choice. So I went to Target today and I picked up this mask from the Main Choice. It is their Prickly Pear Paradise Apply to Dry Overnight Mask. Okay, I've never tried anything from the Main Choice before, so I figured like let's try the deep conditioner out. And the idea of this is that you apply it to dry, unclean hair, and you can leave it in for up to 12 hours. When I usually apply my deep conditioners, I do sleep in them. So I think it's interesting that it actually formulated a product that you can sleep in. But the dry, unclean part is like throwing me off. This is what it looks like. Pretty darn thick. We'll apply this and we'll come back and talk some more, okay? So the hair is thoroughly coated. I'm gonna go in with, again, some extra because I'm extra and I just feel like my hair needs to be coated. Okay, so this is what we are looking like with that product applied directly to our dry, unclean hair. Obviously, it looks like my hair is wet now because first ingredient of that product is water. You can see. I am about to apply my plastic cap, aka my Walmart bag, to my head, and we're gonna sleep in this product, and I'll come to y'all tomorrow when it's time to rinse this out and look at the result. All right, y'all, so we back. It is currently 2:22 p.m. It's been way more than 12 hours. I would say it's been a good 16 hours. So without further ado, let's see how our hair looks. And this is what our hair looks like. Ooh, child. My curls are definitely defined. They definitely feel moisturized as of yet, but my hair is dirty. I'll rinse this out of my head and I'll come back to y'all and show y'all exactly what my hair looks like with just as rinsed out my dirty hair. I'm about to wash my hair in the sink because I'm not about to get in the shower. I'm going to wash my hair with this Maui Moisture shampoo. This is the Heal and Hydrate shampoo for dry, damaged hair. And then I'm going to follow that up with our Aussie Miracle Moist conditioner. I'm going to use this to detangle my hair. So I am a finger detangler. I do not like to use tools in my hair, like really at all, but especially not during my wash process, just because my hair is prone to tangles. I'm prone to losing lots of hair when I'm not careful with those tangles. So I like to finger detangle because when you finger detangle, you can actually feel all the knots, and it's a lot gentler than using like a comb or a brush, for example. Okay, so my camera died. I'm on my phone right now, and I'm just showing y'all that I just finished detangling my hair. It took me at least a good hour. My hair is completely coated in that Aussie Moist conditioner. This is what we're looking like, and honestly, I don't feel like washing this out anytime soon. I will probably come to y'all like with my hair completely styled or not. I really don't know. Like, I'm just really tired because like, look at my fingers. So I just want to give y'all this update, and this is what my hair looks like. Okay, bye. We're back. And this is what my hair is looking like. I just rinsed out the conditioner and went to bed. Okay, so my hair is now dry, and I just have a couple more products to add to my hair to just complete what I really do on like wash day. So the only other product that I'm going to add to my hair are this Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Curl Milk. I'm also going to follow it up with the curl smoothie, again for thick and curly hair. Then I'm going to seal that with the Melanin Hair Care Multi-Use Pure Oil Blend. So I'm just going to go ahead and add these products really quickly to my hair, and then that's literally what I do for wash day. Rub all that in. Okay, so welcome back, beautiful people. Our hair is nice and moisturized. We are finished with our wash day routine, and the only thing we need to do is style our hair.